Good day, sir. My name is Darrell James M. Lanyas, 19 years old, from Baybay City, Leyte, section B71 Alpha. One belief I choose that for me is incorrect is that believing in bad luck, like walking under the ladder or cross path by a black cat. Yes, when I was a child, I used to believe that, but if you think it deeper or more concentrated, there is no connection between your destiny and the crossing path of a black cat or walking under the ladder. There is no scientific explanation that both situation is connected. So for me, walking under the ladder or being cross path by a black cat doesn't bring you bad luck. But sometimes, yeah, it happens in coincidence, but it doesn't mean that it happens because of walking under a ladder or cross path with the black cats. And I then if you rationally think of the bad luck or anything that disaster happened to you, it does not mean that God. It's sometimes reflection of your action or choices. So if so according to some philosophers that there are no connection between both. So therefore, for me, believing in bad luck, like crossing path, black cat or walking under ladder does not have such thing that brings you bad luck. So for the second question is yes and no, that I believe that death penalty should be legalized in our country. But yes, so that it lessen the criminality of the country. But sometimes no, because some of the people who will be killed by death penalty are just or framed by the things that they have not done. So for me, it is not really necessary to legalize death penalty, because maybe it can cause loss of life of some of innocent people who are framed in any disaster or incident. So that's all, sir. Thank you.